So Ben, what are you going to do for this video? Well, Kyle suggested I talk to myself, but he also suggested I take off my shirt. And I'm pretty sure both those things have been done before. So just because they did it doesn't mean you can't. Good point. But I want to be original. But then again, I think this video should just be straight to the point. Straight to the point? That's not your style. What are you planning? Listen, no gimmick, no song, no silent movie, none of that. Then what? What are you gonna do? Okay, so here's the deal. My parents, Kurt and Pam. Kurt Scarbro and Pamela Scarbro are the most incredible people ever. And if you want to compete with them, we got a lot of catching up to do. Roughly 23 and a half years on a quarter. Incredible. Oh. They didn't send me money. They didn't send me a plane ticket home. They didn't send me 6 Indian wives. All those things would have been good, but they sent me something better. Something that you can't put a price on. Just pancakes and maple syrup. Hell yeah. Oh, baby. I'm so excited that I can't, get up and make it. Hell yeah. You can't put a price on pancakes and syrup. I mean, Giant and Super Fresh and Walmart try to put a price on it, but you can't. There's no price for that. There's no price. Except for $40, which they spent to send the package to me. $40 to send this stuff to me. They must love me. Hey, Ben. What? How do we get people to comment more? We? There's no I in we. You're right. I'm always right. Yes, I am. What? What? Maple syrup. Pancakes. Love. Hell yeah. There's no price. Potatoes! Huh.